What's up guys, it's me Atlas, and today we are unboxing some Lost Kitties. Series 2, there's 36 to collect, and so here's the box. So I want this guy over here. I want this pancake guy at the bottom, and I want this flip guy that just flipping up in the air. And let's get started. So today we have 3 Lost Kitties. And here's the box. I never unboxed one of these before. And let's get started. Ooh, it's like a milk jar. Ooh. There are characters here. And here we have some, what is this? Oh, it's clay. It smells like Play-Doh with clay. So, where's the Lost Kitties? So, oh, I found something hard. Ow! Oh, so you have to find the Lost Kitties under the bag. Oh, okay, let's go digging. Let's keep on digging, guys. Here we have the jar. Keep on digging. Keep on digging it. Whoa! This is really big, guys. I don't know what this could be. Is it the character, or is it gonna be? I think it's gonna be the character. Or is there items for the guy though? Is there items for the guy? Whoa! Look at all that clay going. Oh yeah. Well, I see other items in there. I'll get to that soon. So I think we have, what do we have here? Ooh. This is the pancake guy that I wanted. Oh yeah, I got the pancake guy that I wanted. I don't know what's his name. Let's check it out. Oopsies. So here we have the thing. So his name is called Stacks. So his name's called Stacks here. Called Stacks. It's right there if you can see him. And this guy's called Stacks. This pancake guy, kitty, named Stacks, with the pancake on his head and some syrup. Let's see what, there's other items in here. What could it be? So we have a clock. So we have a clock here. Just cleaning all the clay up. And this is Stacks' clock. So it goes like that. And we have must be a plate, right? Feels like a plate. All right, it's a plate with some pancakes. And the plate is on the back. It's on the back, I'll show you. The plate, and then the pancakes. And, oh, there's one more thing I see in here. It looks like, oh, it's a sticker. Ooh, so Lost Kitties comes with stickers like chimichangas in our other video, right? Oh yeah. So it's pretty deep down there, because stickers are part of the collection, right? Also, digging. Look at all that clay that's just falling out. Clay, or is it Play-Doh? It smells like Play-Doh, but it feels like clay. You get what I mean? So let's keep on digging. Oh! Here we go, we got the sticker. He says, I want Oh, they're on my fingers. My dirty fingers with some clay on them. Okay, let's get these off. Now I have 2 left, so let's open the second one. It's like a milk, like you open the milk thing. So have the thing. Have the next one. So this one's a different color. So they're different colors. I almost got it. Okay. Just poke it. Woo! Ha! Woo! I had to poke it because my hands were too slippery. So. So let's dig. Oh, I already see something. See something different. So does the color just is different? Does it mean it's a different type, or is it rarer, or is it like kind of like those stuff? First, black clay color. Is it brown? Yeah, brown clay color. So. Is there like other different types of clay, or is it just these 2? Oh yeah, there we go. So I got it out finally. Just put all the clay, and then let's go open it up. Ooh, it's green. So that must be one of those green characters. Green tree. And here we have this guy. This guy that has a cool tail. That's wrong with it. Let's check his name. Match. His name is Jacket. This guy's name's Jacket. And let's keep on digging. Remember, for this one, I think there's more items because, oh, I see this sticker. Oh, I see an item in the bag. It's pink. What could it be? Looks like a. I don't know. It's round, and what could it be, guys? Ooh, it's a. I can't tell. Looks like is it like a something that you keep on cleaning off the clay, and then we'll find out eventually. So right now it looks like a handle like, with a ball on it. You see what I mean by that? It looks like a handle with a ball on it. So I don't know what this is. Let's keep on digging. So if we keep on digging, we might know what it is, right? Is there another item in here, or is it just one? So Jacket is is pretty. He likes the color, I don't know. There's like a rain, it looks like a raindrop on the thing. There's like a raindrop on him. It's brown. So I don't feel anything else. He likes pop stars. Oh. He's like a pop star. So because I found a microphone here. So he likes singing. I get it. So he likes singing. So here's a microphone. He's kind of dirty, same as my hands. So, oh, I think I know what this is. Well, I don't know. It doesn't match the thing. So this is a stethoscope. Stethoscope. For you put it on your heart, right? It's like a doctor's thing. You put it on your ears and they listen to your heart. This thing. So he's kind of like a doctor, half singer, half doctor. So this is the last lost kitty. Here we go. I hope we get a new color of a clay, because I don't know if there might be other clay colors. So we didn't get a new clay color. It's the same one as the other one. It's not white, it's the brownish one. The brownish one, this one. It's different symbols, so they're symbols of the clay. Okay, now I don't need to pop the hole because my hands are not slippery. I don't know how they're slippery, and then I could take them off. So I see the bag. It's sticking out inside the arrow, the box. I can tell. So let's keep on digging. Keep on digging here. Oh my. So his hand's already sticking out. So it might be Len. That might be Len. Or it might be Reach. Because he's long. He's not really long though. If it was Reach, because Reach is like super long. Oh my. Okay, got him out. So his hand's sticking out. I hope it's good. I hope it's something rare or the ones that I wanted. Because the ones that I wanted are like really into me. Like, okay. Who I got? Oh, right. I got Len. I'm right. We got Len. We got Len. 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 L-E-N. Len. So let's put him here in front of Jacket. So can this guy even stand up? Yeah, finally. Oh. So where's his? So does Len has to have like business. He has to have like a business suitcase or a business something like that, because he's a business worker, right? I feel something. It's blue. Is it a bag or is it? Oh, it's nothing. No, I found it. It's a what? It's a lamp. So what does this have to do? Wait. No, it's a gun. It's an X-ray gun. Oh, he's not a business worker. He's an agent. I found out. He's an agent. He's an agent. Robots in disguise instead of not robots. It's not robots anymore. It's agents in disguise. Because he's an agent. And he's in disguise. For a mystery. Or a detective. If you wear a hat. I feel something else. It must be in the clay. Is it just the X-ray gun? I just got the whole thing out! Oh, it's a popsicle. It's a popsicle. My brother would love it. He's addicted to popsicles. Here we have the, I'll show you the gun and the popsicle together. Oopsies. So I have the gun and the popsicle. The gun and the popsicle. I thought it was like a lamp or... Am I crazy? It might be a lamp. It's a gun. It's a gun, yeah. What is the bottom for anyways? It might be a lamp. It looks like a gun on this side, but when you put it on this side, it looks like a lamp on the road. When you put it like this, I'm not sure. I think it's a gun because he looks like a spy agent or a business worker. Definitely not a business worker because now I found his items. It looks like an agent. So his sticker is called, oh, it's fancy. Is fancy. Oh, is fancy. And he looks like he is drinking, he's drinking juice. Soda juice or whatever that is. So, I think Len is my favorite out of all. Len. Wow, what a mess. But I got free Play-Doh. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa!